Hi guys, this is Food by Faith Garden to Table, and welcome to my home and some of the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys a few things that we are using to survive. About a year ago, I bought this lantern. It was about $20. I bought it from Wally World, and this thing is absolutely amazing. So we've been using that. A 2-burner Coleman propane stove. To cook our food, and of course I always have these on hand. I don't like to fry a lot of my food inside the house, so I've had this for a while outside, so I just brought it inside. And of course we always have flashlights on hand. My cabbage and collard seeds survived through it all. Some of my plants survived. Just the little things, guys. Also, remember that solar lights could care less where you put them. So if you have solar lights on the outside of your house, you can actually take those inside of your house at night and they will work well for you. This is my Kroger box that I turned into a bed. The plants there are doing pretty all right. This was my trellis that I had the beans and the pumpkins growing on. And this is what it looks like now. We had no damage to this portion of the fence. I don't know if that's a piece of our house or someone else's. We tried to pick up all the pieces that we see. Fence got messed up right there. This is a piece of either our house or our neighbor's house. I don't know which one. Some wood on the back porch got messed up. As you can see, our shed has pieces hanging. The back portion of our house looks pretty good. Our fence, of course, is messed up. We're keeping the fence doors, we're keeping that closed with some trash cans. My chickens are actually doing really good. My garden, on the other hand, you know, things are torn up. I mean, literally, the storm whipped around in here and dug a hole. The majority of our damage is inside. This sign comes from one of my neighbor's yard because she got her fence done 2 days before the storm. I mean, she got her roof done actually 2 days before the storm. But of course, sadly, a few pieces of her roof were in my yard. My fig trees are leaning. These babies are doing pretty all right over here. I'm super thankful that this is holding up. But like I said, the majority of our damage is on the front portion of our house and on the inside. Guys, but this is just a lesson. Too many people, I've heard the story over and over and over again. I didn't think that the storm was going to be this bad. I didn't think that the storm was going to be this bad. Every time the news tells me that a storm is coming, I always make sure I have excess jugs of water. I have extra candles that I pick up, and a lot of the supplies that I pick them up from the Dollar Tree. So it's not like I'm going out and I'm buying expensive things. I'm actually picking up a lot of these supplies from the Dollar Tree. And you can do the same. Again, like I said, these solar lights, if you don't have lanterns or anything like that, those solar lights don't care where you put them at night, they will light up. I really wanted to get more off these pepper plants before the season ended, but that's a no-go. Let's get through here. I know y'all want some food. Give me 1 second. But the biggest takeaway from all of this is the fact that despite it all, we survived. I'm thankful to God that we survived, and it's all gonna work out. It is all going to work out. So I thank you. I welcome all your positive prayers, all your love, everything that you are sending our way to Georgia and South Carolina. We appreciate it. Again, Hurricane Helene came through on Thursday, and they're looking at restoring power for us by October the 5th. So we are thankful for that. There's so many trucks that have been deployed to this area, and we're just blessed by it. So as always, guys, get up, get out, and grow something, and don't let anyone steal your joy, as Black Tropical always says.